Thank you, Mama.
Welcome.
This is the best prize I've ever seen.
So, 1 week ago, she had
I'm
her.
gonna take this outside and play with it.
Okay.
Rosie had her babies, and she had one baby already. His name is Gary. He's 1 month old, and she laid another baby. Her name's Crystal Fist, and she can glow in the dark. And if you shake them a lot, you can see it change color.
Right there?
Sparkles.
Right there?
Look, it's sparkling like the golden, that golden sparkling.
Whoa.
This guy, let me see how. So, his name is Dragon. Is that right? His name is Dragon. Look at those teeth. Sharp. Wait a minute. This is the biggest one ever to be seen.
But that was more longer.
Well, it's either height. So, there's others. We'll talk about the other ones that we haven't done later.
This one's longer than my snake.
Okay, it's a lay them down and see how long they are and see who's the longest. It looks like that Rosie's the longer than Dragon, but they're almost the same. They almost are the same height. So look right there.